Welcome to Special Briyani 3-part series part 2, and you are watching Babylona roasted vegetarian prawn. There we go, you can see fresh curry leaves, pepper, turmeric and 2 tablespoons of yogurt with our homemade masala powder are being mixed to marinate this special vegetarian prawn. Here in a pan, you are adding 2 tablespoons of oil and mix the marinated special Babylona vegetarian prawn and saute it. You have to stir this or fry this until it turns to a golden brown state to give it a very crispy taste. Look at that, the masalas have well coated and it's given you the very crispy texture. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves on top of this to enhance the flavor of the dish. Squeeze 1 slice of lemon to get the juice and mix it again so that you have a sourful taste. And you can enjoy this with any kinds of wine, drinks and etc. It's done, so stay tuned till you watch this 3-part series Biryani last video with a surprise call.